Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm giving you a quick little update. Got the wheels in, got the rear draft packs. I got a 17. So I went with VMS wheels. So yeah, I didn't have to wait for these wheels to ship out. I happen to know, found a guy in town that was selling them brand new, and the tires just came in. Yeah, it's a fat tire, so hopefully it fits. 325s on a 17x10. I'm a little scared about the offset. Offset's a little high. I don't know. It looks a little thin here. I'm opening it up, make sure everything's good. All right. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Yeah, it's pretty protected. I'm not gonna lie. Dang, how much protection is in here? Oh, this guy fucked me. I don't know. Did he? Why is this blue? Almost clear, it's not supposed to be blue. Why is it blue? Alright guys, I guess I don't know. Why is it blue? Well, the guy never said one was blue and one was silver. Wait a second here, doctor. Wait a second. I think we might be onto something. Oh, false alarm. Yeah, so I opened up the other one and well, actually it was already open when I got it. But yeah, the other one was, I don't know why this one was blue. There we go. Dude, I was so scared. That one was silver and black and one was blue and black. Guys, so here is the wheel. This is what it looks like. A lot of the guys running these wheels usually are Mustangs. So yeah, the guy who sold me the wheels was a Mustang guy. Shout out to the homie. But yeah guys, these are the wheels. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up extra early, go to work, and mount them up, and we'll see how it looks. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I ended up getting the tires mounted and balanced. My bad, I couldn't show it on the video GoPro. Couldn't really record it because I had a hard time balancing these wheels. I think this one took 7 ounces, close to 7 ounces, but this one was pretty easy. But I don't know if that's normal to have that much weight on these drag radios, but it's better than no balance, I guess. But yeah, I can't mount them yet. It's pretty busy at work. There's no open stall or no open lift. So yeah, let's see what happens here. But dude, it looks so good. I don't know if y'all could see that. It's kind of dark back there, but bro, yeah, they look pretty meaty. Alright guys, so I just want to give you a quick little update on the Z. So the wheels are on. So I didn't record the part where I was installing the tires and wheels because I did have some hard time balancing these wheels. So since they are radios, anybody who works on cars should know how hard it is to balance radios or drag tires. So yeah, each wheel took like about I don't know, like 5 to 6 ounces. So it was kind of crazy, but caliper clears perfectly, and I ended up using a spacer. So this is the problem that I ran into when I was installing these wheels. The offset is a little high on these VMS's because technically they're a Mustang spec. So the offset is 54. I am running a 25mm spacer, and the fitment is perfect, bro. Look, I think I'm on lowering springs, 1.2 inch hike back, I believe, lowering springs. And I'm not rubbing. Luckily, I need to roll my fenders, but yeah, I don't have my fenders rolled. And yeah, bro, 17x11s would be perfect, but these are 17x10s. But back to what I was saying, I was rubbing on the strut tower. On the strut, I was rubbing like pretty bad. Not bad enough to where I couldn't put the car on the ground, but I was rubbing for sure. But yeah, guys, perfect fitment, bro. I can't get over how good this car looks. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get 15s or 17s, but 17s look amazing, dude. I don't think pictures do it justice, because dude, this looks amazing. Yep. But yeah, guys, so here is the update on the wheels. Sheesh, dude, I still can't get over how good they look. Yeah, so what I want to try next is I want to try 1550s, because I'm on 17s. I think that's the biggest sidewall tire there is out there. Yeah, guys, I want to do 3 1550s on Beatlocks welds down the road. These were more of guinea pig wheels that I basically was messing with, and I got them for a stupid good deal. So before anybody starts trash talking down on me or whatever, dude, I got these wheels for 400 bucks, and everybody knows in this pandemic everything is on back order. But yeah, guys, sheesh. 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. Yeah, these wheels took a bit amount of weight to balance out. But yeah, guys, stay tuned to the channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We got more stuff coming for the car. If y'all want me to run any kind of car, I'm down for runs. Drop a comment. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be it for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.